Here's a couple of outlet testers that can be used in apartment maintenance, and I'll show you which one is my favorite. This is a cheap standard one that'll get the job done. This one right here is a combination, and it's actually a circuit tracer, which is very helpful in buildings. This does have its uses, and that is mainly in common area buildings and electrical panels. It does work great, despite other people saying that it doesn't because they don't know how to use it. But this is my favorite one for apartment maintenance, and mainly I use this just for finding which breaker needs to be shut off when working on a receptacle. Let me show you. Plug in the receptacle tester and come over to the breaker panel, and you can still hear it going off, and just flip the breakers. Nope. Nope. And there it is. No walking out of the room to check the lights. The audible signal tells you. And if you just want to use it for general troubleshooting and you don't want the sound on, you can just turn the sound off. Easy as that. The Fluke ST120 Plus socket tester. Highly recommend it. I'll leave a link in the description where you can purchase this from. Thanks for watching.